time she'll get
Have
here.
the best time.
Get up, boba.
So Metuchen, yeah, was voted the best, one of the best downtown areas in America. I'm wondering if they were including all of this. They probably were. I mean, this is a great like spot right here. Like, you got a big courtyard. You got some yoga. You got the Mexican spot. You got a pizza. Big wide open area. They do have festivals and things like that here for like Chinese New Year and things like that. I've seen the festival here before. There's a large Asian community in the area here. Yeah, Metuchen is super cool. Okay, can I plug little big guy in? Let me see. He's a little hot. Overheated? No, I can't plug the little big guy in yet. He's got some juice. Italian food over there. We got some Mexican food over here. Super cool. Very nice day. We got chi pizza. I don't know if it's Chinese.
Okay.
Because it's like chi, like Chinese. It probably is. Can we go in? I don't know if we should go in. No, it's okay. There's a lot of people going in and out, so. But it's a very pretty busy day there. Chi pizza. Chi pizza. I like that. It's different. Chi pizza. You don't. It's like unforgettable. Chi pizza. Once you hear it, am I right? I don't know. Chi pizza. CHE. Honestly, that's super cool. I mean, we're gonna come back another time. I definitely think it's a cool idea to maybe stroll in there soon. Yeah, I mean, wow. Okay, so that's a happening spot here in Metuchen. That's a very happening spot. You can see that. Chi pizza. It's almost like cheese pizza, but there's no E-S-E. Chi pizza. Cheese, you know, but chi pizza. Yo, get some chi pizza. You know what I mean? I'm always looking for some kind of way to twist some words in a funny way. Is that what they wanted to like have it as? Chi, like, yo, get some chi pizza. Time to get some chi pizza, like not cheese pizza. Get some chi pizza. All right, I'm having a field day with that, and much respect to that restaurant. Much respect. The food smelled amazing, and I did see a Chinese person working in there, so they're probably Chinese, and they might have Chinese pizza. I'm gonna look that up. There is a such thing as Chinese pizza. And I really do want to look it up if they have it, because that is pretty cool. Anyway, bottom line, that looked like a very happening spot here. So ni hao, and congrats to Chi Pizza. They may never see this video, but I'm shouting them out. If you know Chi Pizza, tell them I shouted them out here in Metuchen. Chi Pizza. And asked them, was it cheese pizza? And they just did it for like a cool name, cool vibe. Chi, get some Chi pizza. All right. So this is Route 27, Lake Avenue. Route 27 kind of does a turn right here. So you're going, let me go this way. It's just faster. Yeah, Route 27 kind of does a little turn here where you're going that way, boom, to Route 27, this way to Route 27. It's a little tricky right here, Route 27. If you don't know it or if you don't GPS it, it might get a little tricky, but the signs are there. Just gotta have to follow the signs. In Metuchen. Good old Metuchen. However you say it. Everybody says Metuchen. Cheese pizza. Gotta get some cheese pizza. I might have started something in Metuchen. I should have asked them. Next time, that's going to be the question. Was it short for cheese? Cheese pizza. Or is it a Chinese term? I know there's chi energy, and Japanese from my martial art days. There's chi energy with a ball in the hands, that kind of thing. And I actually feel it when I do that a little bit. And there's chi energy, but I don't think it's spelled the same. And we got the Japanese restaurant there, Sumiyaki, Japan. Okay, little big guy. Checking on little big guy. All right, yeah, let's go. Metuchen, such a great day in Metuchen. Metuchen, like cheese pizza. Metuchen. All right, we got the Whole Foods right here. If you like Whole Foods, there's a Whole Foods right here in Metuchen. All right. So it is walking season, June 5th, 2026. The vibe is nice. We were up over 90 degrees, no humidity. It's almost 90 degrees right now, 87 degrees right now. So we're at a great time of the year for walking and walking and walking. Walking, guys. So if you like walking videos, this is where it's at. Sub, share, and vibe out. Jesus is the way. God bless you and your family and everybody. Have a great day, great night, great evening. And stay happy, stay healthy, stay smart. Stay close to God, Jesus. I mean, hey, at the end of the day, that's what we got, right? It's good. All right, everyone. Peace out. See you all in the next one.